him again. We got a wrestling event on, and this is like 50,000 times we've seen him. I know he's a champ, but fuck. Give someone else a go. Yes, you're the champion. We know, we've seen you about 3 times already. Give someone else a spotlight. It's a wrestling event. Not a fucking exhibition show. Anyway. Let's just hear what he has to say.
I always have something to say. Alright. Firstly, welcome to Chasing Glory.
Welcome.
My show.
His show.
Anyways, I'm just going to have a seat here. Can we please bring out Switchblade, firstly, who gets opportunities and has the #1 contendership later tonight.
Okay, so...
Oh, where is he?
Well,
come on, Switchblade.
His music's playing. His music's playing, but here he is. There he is. #1 contender himself.
Welcome. Please take one. Would you like a seat? Would you like a seat? I've got kids a good stand. I'm looking off for it. I'm going to sit down. Sit.
A champ you deserve to sit.
Alright, and the next person I have a lot of history with. I've beat him that many times, it's funny. Please welcome the one who lost it all, CJ Clique!
I wonder if he'll take 20 minutes of entrance.
The past is the past, you know? It's a new day, bro. My day. Gotta do it now.
Hey, buddy.
Ooh. Using the shake the handle of Redux.
That's pretty rude.
So disrespectful.
So disrespectful.
Holy
Oh
crap.
my god. Really? Alright, now, just telling you the rules, alright? You touch me, and you're gone. You got it? Cool. Yeah, you want to say something?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I pretty much touched you before, so I'm good.
We all know you want to touch me at every event, let's be real, please. Let's be real. Alright, now, can you just go with him, please, for a minute? Like, boundaries, champion, like, you're not in this circle, so just stay there.
Until later today, yeah?
You remind me of Clique, and look how that worked out for him. So shut up.
I'm not
Alright, now, well, obviously, obviously, there's Clique, you know? Now, obviously, on my show, he was the first ever honourable guest star, and so I was like, why not bring him back and actually have a good time, right? Now,
Party time.
I have a few questions, obviously, but firstly,
Any show I'm on is mine.
I'm just going to ignore that. Now,
Is he delusional?
well, he was a part of the agency, so clearly. Now, I have to ask you a question first, alright? When you were with the agency, what sort of, you know, dropped the ball and, you know, kind of split you guys up? What happened exactly? I want to know. Please tell me. What makes you any different, right? Because I versed you at the Great Australian Bash, right? You were a part of the agency, and I think that's when, I think that was when you lost the main event to Clique. Yeah. With your agency, the other half, the one that you see, you know, in the bathroom. So, anyways.
Wow.
I want to ask you, what makes you different now?
What makes me different now?
Well, that's the question. I just said it twice. Are you hard of hearing?
What makes me different now is I'm not the selfish punk I used to be, and I can come out here and put on a show just because you're the champ does not mean you're the best.
At least
The
I don't
best.
injure my shoulder.
At least I don't injure my neck.
Ooh.
Snap!
Now, champ, or should I say chump, take a back seat, because later on today, I'm going to take that off ya.
You just think that, you delusional piece of shit.
A little piece of shit.
Now you, my other half, kind of, in the wrestling world. So the other day, right? Mind if I put my elbow on you? Cool. So the other day, actually, I'm sure you guys know about it too, I uploaded on our YouTube site, right? And that sounds really clear. Can you just, yeah, cool.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
personal space, you want to get out of mine.
I do.
I know, he does that.
Now, you and I faced in 2016, correct?
2016?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I was beating your hardcore title reign, because back then Clique was actually relevant and had something to stand for. Now, I have a little surprise for you, so come with me. Come with me. Alright, can you hold this, please?
Oh, of course I can.
What's he doing?
So Clique, right? As I brought back Ricardo,
What's he got?
and as you know, I just love making you realize who you really are, right? I thought to myself, why not give you everything you deserve, right? Alright, let me get this.
What
Does
the
this
hell?
look familiar to you?
What the hell? That's his old hardcore belt.
This is the hardcore title
There's a throwback.
that you lost. Well, you actually never gained it in the first place, but you lost your opportunity in 2016, and it was for this.
Where the
And then-
hell did he pull
then-
that from?
Fast forward to 2019, and you lost this. You could have had it all, but you definitely dropped the ball twice. Give it up for CJ Clique.
Wow.
What are your thoughts on it? Please. And I know you're in the gauntlet later anyway.
What
so-
are my thoughts
Yeah.
about this title? That you're looking at the #1 person that made it prestige over the old XCW Championship. When you stepped in, I held that for a maximum of 10 months and made it more prestige than what Sam did with that paperback championship.
Yeah, but
And
then...
yes, granted, you went and you won this. It's not around my waist, but at the end of the day, as I've always said, winning or losing does not mean anything to me. It's putting on a show. You and me went out there. We put everything on the line. The better person stepped out and claimed that title.
Yeah, which was me. All me. See,
Yeah.
Clique, back in the day, you were Mr. XCW, but clearly, seeing as you don't understand what I say to you, I may as well show you. See, I am the longest reigning hardcore champion to date. But this... And see, obviously, this isn't an official title in XCW anymore, right? It's not.
Didn't he hold it for 10 months?
Yes.
He's got a point there.
I am the longest reigning hardcore champion. I never lost that.
You've never lost it.
Never lost it. And you know what? Do you want to hear a story?
You want to talk about you never lost that? Well, by rights, if we want to talk about not losing titles, then by rights, the old XCW, I never lost. I handed back in. So by right, this should be handed to me.
You want to go back
could.
even further in history? Does he
Yes.
want to go back
Yes,
even
can
further in
we?
history?
Oh my god, this is so great. Do you want to hear a story?
2009.
Can you speak up with the microphone? I can't hear you.
Ooh. Touchy, are we?
Okay, you want me to speak up? Okay. I'll get right up in your face. That little bloody mouth of yours.
It must be his old age.
2009. 2009. Maybe cameraman might know about this. 2009. This
Yeah, I was
thing
around for
here,
that.
right?
9 years ago.
This thing here.
10 years ago.
10
11 years ago.
Yeah, I'm an old fuck. 10 years ago.
11 years ago.
11 years ago.
10 years. I can't count. Shut up.
I'd almost go 11 years ago. XCW title. Second time it was ever up for grabs. Triple threat match. Who walked out with it? I did. And then there was fucking drama.
Yeah.
As always, there was drama. Drama, drama, drama. So I said, fuck this. I'll sit out from one single event. Goodbye, XCW title. You don't deserve it anymore. So technically, if you really, really want to get technical, 11 years. Fucking beat that.
Does that mean he's supposed to hold that, not you? I think that's what he's trying to say. That pretty much he...
No disrespect, of course.
Redux.
No
Wow.
disrespect, of course.
The Duke's slipping up. That's a rarity. Wow.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda, but did it. And I am the champion.
He
alright?
did.
I swear to God, I will knock you into next year.
We'll see you later.
Oh, we will, won't we? Because, didn't you get injured falling on your head when you were in a main event shot? Didn't you drop the ball literally worse than him when you were in that main event shot? See, the thing is you guys are so alike, except for you're just younger and got a crappier moveset. And you, I've already said enough about you, so you don't deserve more extra spotlight. But it's okay. Because, like I keep saying to everyone, I was very much like you once upon a time. You know, coming in, looking at this, thinking this was the best thing for XCW.
Golden halo over his head.
But I'm just the reality that took that golden halo and shoved it right up his ass. So you can sit there and you can watch my match later tonight, okay, in the street fight when I'm actually defending my belts. And you'll also see me with Hellhammer as well, you know. So while I'm, you know, carrying this division on my back, you can sit there all you want, Clique, and just stare at yourself in the mirror and actually realize, while I'm here, this will be nothing. Just like you and your career. So you should just start singing again, because that's clearly all you're good at. And
Ouch.
you should just retire.
Wait. The reason why I haven't said much is because my actions speak louder than words, unlike yours.
That's so
Speak
funny.
louder.
That's hilarious. So funny.
Because
So
4
funny.
months and 2 days. Rain.
It's 4 months and 2 weeks
two
today.
weeks,
It's actually
2
today.
days, whatever.
So 4 months and 2 weeks ago, I actually beat you to win this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that all ends today. 5. See, while you got that time around your waist, you're going to be the biggest smartass in this bed.
Of course.
I'm going to like to see what happens the day that you lose that. You're going to be nothing but a little bitch crying in the middle of that ring because you lost the #1 thing that's going to make you the best, and that is this.
At least I could say I held it.
Ooh. Wee.
Okay, go.
As if we aren't the most prestigious people around here.
I mean, we're better than the agency. We're better than Generation Clique.
Clearly.
So play my song.
Oh, finally. Finally, it's over. We can actually get on with some wrestling. If that's okay with the champ.